If you follow everything I'm about to tell you in this video, then I'm not exaggerating when I say this. You could start making $100, $500, even $1,000 plus per month from Amazon without ever selling a single product, no inventory, no warehouse, no customer service headaches, and no need to invest thousands of dollars upfront. And the craziest part is, there are people in the United States right now doing this from their phone, uploading simple videos and getting paid while they sleep. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. Most people who try this will fail, not because it doesn't work, but because they don't understand how to do it properly. So if you're serious about making money online, I need your full attention, because what I'm about to explain can completely change your financial direction if you actually take action. Now let's address the biggest misconception. When people hear make money on Amazon, they instantly think about selling products, investing $2,000 to $5,000 in inventory, dealing with suppliers, shipping issues and returns. And honestly, that's exactly why most beginners never even start. It feels risky, complicated, and overwhelming. But what if I told you that there's another way? A way where you don't need to buy anything, you don't need to store anything, and you don't need to handle customers at all. Instead, you're simply using Amazon's existing system and earning a commission every time someone buys through your content. This is not theory. This is already happening, and people are quietly making $300, $700, even $2,000 per month using this exact method. The method we're talking about is one of the fastest growing opportunities right now, especially in the US market, and it's called the Amazon Influencer System. But don't let the word influencer confuse you. You don't need 100,000 followers. You don't need to be famous. You don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. What you need is a simple strategy and the willingness to stay consistent. That's it. Because at the core, this is not about influence. It's about helping people make buying decisions. And when you help people decide what to buy, Amazon rewards you with money. Let me break this down in the simplest way possible. Imagine someone goes on Amazon looking to buy a product worth $50. Before buying, they scroll down and see a short video review. That video explains the product, shows how it works, and helps them decide. Now if they buy after watching that video, the person who made the video earns a commission. Maybe it's $2, maybe it's $5, maybe even $10, depending on the product. That might not sound like a lot, but here's where it gets powerful. Imagine you have 50 videos. Imagine each video makes just $2 per day. That's $100 per day. That's $3,000 per month. And remember, these videos keep working for you even when you're not working. Now I'm not saying you'll start making $3,000 in your first month. Let's be realistic. In the beginning, you might make $0, then maybe $10, then $50, then $100. But once you understand the system and start improving, your income can grow faster than you expect. The problem is, most people quit before they reach that stage. They upload 5 videos, don't see results, and assume it doesn't work. But they don't realize that this is a compounding game. The more videos you create, the more chances you have to earn. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is overthinking everything. They think they need a perfect camera, perfect lighting, perfect script. But the truth is, most of the videos that actually make money are simple. Shot on a phone, natural lighting, clear explanation. That's it. People don't care about cinematic quality. They care about whether the product is worth their $20, $50, or $100. If your video answers that question clearly, you're already ahead of most people. Another important thing you need to understand is that not all products are equal. Some products might earn you $1 per sale, while others might earn you $20 or more. Some products get thousands of views, while others get ignored. That's why strategy matters. If you randomly create content, your results will be random. But if you choose products that people are actively searching for, your chances of earning increase significantly. And this is where most people go wrong. They focus on what they like instead of what people are buying. Now you might be thinking, what if I don't have products? That's not a problem. Start with what you already own. Look around you. Your phone, your headphones, your kitchen items, your daily use products. Everything is an opportunity. Each product can potentially generate $10, $50, even $100 over time. And when you scale this to dozens or hundreds of videos, that's when the real money starts coming in. Let's talk about expectations, because this is very important. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to upload one video and suddenly make $1,000 overnight. But what you can do is build a system that generates income over time. Think of each video as a digital asset. Once it's live, it can keep earning for weeks, months, even years. And the more assets you create, the more your income grows. This is how people go from making $0 to $500, then $1,000, then even $5,000 per month. Consistency is the key that unlocks everything. If you upload one video and stop, nothing will happen. If you upload 5 videos and quit, you'll still see nothing. But if you commit to creating 30, 50, even 100 videos, your chances of success increase dramatically. This is a volume game. Some videos will fail, some will do average, and a few will perform extremely well. But you need to stay in the game long enough to find those winners. There's also something psychological happening here. When you start seeing even small earnings, $5, $10, $20, it changes your mindset. You realize this is real. You start taking it seriously. You improve your videos. You become more consistent. And that's when your growth accelerates. But you need to push through the initial phase where results are slow and sometimes non-existent. Now let's address competition. Yes, there are people already doing this, but that doesn't mean there's no opportunity. Amazon has millions of products. New products are added every day, and customers are constantly looking for reviews before buying. The demand is huge, so instead of worrying about competition, focus on creating helpful content. If your video helps even a small percentage of viewers, you can still make money. Another thing most people don't realize is that your early videos are your training ground. Your first 10, 20, even 30 videos might not make much money, and that's okay. Those videos are helping you improve. You're learning how to speak clearly, how to present products, how to keep viewers engaged, and once you get better, your future videos perform much better. At this point, you need to shift your mindset. Stop thinking of this as a quick way to make $100 and start thinking of it as a long-term skill that can make you $1,000, $2,000, even $10,000 per month if done correctly. The ability to influence buying decisions is powerful. Companies spend millions on marketing to do exactly that. And here, you're doing it with simple videos from your phone. So here's what I want you to do after watching this. Don't overthink. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action. Pick one product you already own, record a simple video, and upload it. Even if it's not perfect, even if it feels awkward, because your first step is not about making money. It's about starting. And once you start, everything becomes easier. And trust me, if you stay consistent, if you follow the right strategy, and if you don't quit early, this can turn into a real income stream. Maybe it starts with $50, then $200, then $500, and before you know it, you're making $1,000 or more every single month from videos you already created. In the next part, I'm going to go deeper and show you exactly how to choose the right products, how to structure your videos so they actually convert viewers into buyers, and how to scale this into a system that can realistically generate $1,000 to $5,000 per month. So don't miss the next part, because that's where things get serious. Now, if you made it to this point, you're already ahead of 90% of people who just watch and never take action. But this is where things actually get serious, because in this part, I'm going to show you how to go from making your first $10 or $50 to realistically scaling this into $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 per month using Amazon without selling any products. And the difference between someone making $100 and someone making $3,000 is not luck, it's strategy. Let's start with the most important. Factor that directly. affects your income, product, selection. Because the truth is, you can create 100 videos, but if you choose the wrong products, you might still make less than $100. On the other hand, if you choose the right products, even 20 to 30 videos can generate consistent income. So instead of randomly picking items, you need to think like a beer. Ask yourself, what kind of products do people hesitate before buying? What products require explanation? What products are between $20 and $200? Where people want to see a real demo before spending money. These are the products that convert the best. Because when someone is about to spend $50 or $100, they want reassurance, and your video becomes that reassurance. Now here's a powerful shift that can instantly improve your results. Don't just show the product, solve a problem. For example, instead of saying this is a good product, explain why it's useful, who it's for, and who should avoid it. When you do this, your video feels more honest, and trust directly increases conversions. And more conversions mean more money. Even a small improvement in conversion rate can take you from $200 per month to $800 or more without creating more videos. Next, let's talk about video structure, because this is where most beginners lose money without realizing it. A high converting video is not random. It follows a simple pattern. First, you grab attention in the first few seconds by clearly stating what the product is and why someone should care. Then you quickly show the product in action, because people want proof, not just words. After that, you highlight the key benefits in a simple way. And finally, you give a clear conclusion. Should they buy it or not? This clarity is what drives decisions, and decisions are what generate commissions. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where things get interesting. Imagine you create 50 videos over time. Out of those, maybe 10 perform well. Each of those 10 videos makes just $3 per day. That's $30 per day. That's around $900 per month. And that's a very conservative estimate. Now imagine you improve your skills, choose better products, and increase your average to $5 per day per video. Now you're on $1,500 per month. And if a few videos go viral or rank well, hitting $3,000 or even $5,000 per month becomes possible. This is how scaling works, not through one viral video, but through a system. But here's the part most people ignore: consistency with intention. It's not just about uploading more videos, it's about improving with every video. Look at what's working, which videos are getting views, which ones are generating clicks. Double down on those. If a certain type of product or style is working, do more of that. This is how you go from random results to predictable income. Another powerful strategy that can increase your earnings is volume with variation. Instead of making one video per product, try making multiple variations. One can be a quick overview, another can be a detailed explanation, another can focus on pros and cons. This increases your chances of ranking and capturing different types of buyers. And more visibility means more clicks, and more clicks mean more money. Now let's address something important: patience combined with urgency. You need to be patient because results take time, but you also need urgency in your actions. Don't wait days to upload one video. If possible, aim for 1 to 3 videos per day in the beginning, because the faster you create, the faster you learn, and the faster you reach that point where things start working. There's also a hidden advantage most beginners don't realize. Once your videos are live, they don't stop working. Unlike a job where you get paid once, here your content keeps generating income. A video you upload today could still be making $1, $2, or $5 per day months later. Multiply that across dozens of videos, and you start building something powerful. A semi-passive income stream. Now let's talk about mindset, because this will determine whether you succeed or quit early. In the beginning, you might feel like you're putting in effort and getting nothing in return. That's normal. Every successful person in this space went through that phase. The difference is, they didn't stop. They understood that they were building something bigger, and once the results started coming in, everything changed. Another thing you need to avoid is distraction. There are hundreds of ways to make money online, Every day you'll see a new method promising fast results. But if you keep jumping from one method to another, you'll never master anything. Stick to one system. Give it time. Improve your execution. That's how real results are created. Now let me give you a realistic roadmap. In your first month, focus on learning and uploading consistently. Don't worry about money. In your second month, you might start seeing small earnings, maybe $20, $50, or $100. In your third month, if you stay consistent and improve, reaching $300 to $500 becomes possible. And from there, scaling to $1,000 plus. It's just a matter of continuing what works and increasing volume. This is not guaranteed, but it is realistic if you execute properly. At this point, you should understand that this is not just about Amazon. This is about building a skill that can make you money in multiple ways. Once you learn how to create content that influences buying decisions, you can apply it anywhere. Other platforms, other affiliate programs, even your own products in the future. But Amazon is the easiest place to start because the demand is already there. So here's your action plan. Start immediately. Don't wait. Don't overthink. Pick products you already have. Create simple videos. Upload consistently. Analyze what works. Improve your approach. And most importantly, don't quit early. Because if you stay in this long enough, the results will come. And remember this. The difference between someone making $0 and someone making $5,000 per month is not intelligence, not luck, and not resources. It's consistency, strategy, and execution. If you combine these three, you can absolutely make this work. So if you're serious about changing your income and building something real, start today. Because every day you delay is a day you're not earning. And the sooner you start, the sooner you give yourself a chance to succeed. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed, and income can vary based on your effort, consistency, and strategy. This is not a get-rich-quick method. Some links mentioned may be affiliate links, meaning I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you.